Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Economy by Aman Soni. In today's news hour, we'll discuss the important articles related to economy from the Hindu newspaper. In page 1, there is no news related to economy. Let's go to the news page. Sitaraman to discuss aviation fuels inclusion in the GST regime. Here we need to know the background. When the center and states were discussing about the implementation of the GST Act, certain taxes were kept out of GST purview. The states didn't want to give up their taxing rights on alcohol, so it was kept out of GST, and certain other taxes on petroleum crude, petrol, diesel, aviation turbine fuel, and natural gas. These were not taxed under GST at that point of time, but it was decided that whenever the GST Council feels that it is the right time to include these in under the GST, the GST Council would include them. So in this regard, now the finance minister says that they are going to the GST Council is going to discuss about including the aviation turbine fuel under the GST regime. So currently alcohol, petroleum crude, petrol, diesel, aviation turbine fuel and natural gas are not under GST. But petroleum crude, except alcohol, all these things could be included under GST whenever the council feels it is the right time to implement. The GST Council would issue a notification and all this would come under the GST regime from that point of time. And in the same page there is a news relating to green bonds. Green bonds to have long tenure, says center. In the budget, the government has said that it's going to issue the sovereign green bonds. So any debt instrument issued by the government to raise money is called sovereign bond. And what are green bonds? As the name says, green bonds are those debt instruments which are going to invest in the projects that are related to saving the environment. So the money raised from these bonds would be invested in those infrastructure projects that are environmentally sustainable and which have low carbon footprint. And in the Moneywise page, you need not read this technical news related to insurance. You can skip it. In text and context, there is an article in which there is a concept related to economy. The tumbling of Meta platform shares. So here the article discusses about the share prices of Meta, the new name for Facebook. It's been falling. So how do share prices change? The share prices are dependent on certain things, and one of them are the future expectations of profits. So if the investors feel that this particular company is going to make profits in the future, that it is going to generate them cash flows in the future, the demand for the share increases because more and more number of people want to buy and invest in this share so that they'll get profits in future. So if the future expectations of a company is high, more number of people would want to invest in that, so the demand for the share increases, and because demand increases, the price also increases. But if the investors feel that this particular company it's not going to perform well in the future expectations of a company is low, so they'll start selling the shares. So if they start dumping the shares, the supply of the share will increase, so the price of the share will fall down. This is how share prices work. And even a profitable company shares can be driven down, share price can be driven down if the people think that it's going to perform worse in the future. And even a currently loss making company, the share prices could be high, because if people think that it's going to perform well in the future, it can turn around the losses and make it into profit, they are going to invest in that share. And because they are going to invest, the demand for it increases and the price increases. This article talks about various reasons for why the share price of Meta has been decreasing, and one of the reasons being the losses that it has been making, and it is solely dependent on advertisement revenue. And in recent policy of Apple, it gave its customers a choice to opt out of being tracked from companies like Facebook. So because of that, companies like Facebook can't give the targeted ads. And if there's not going to be targeted ad based on the browsing history of a person, the people who invest in advertisement, they're not going to invest. That's why the revenue of Meta is falling down, and they have heavily invested in metaverse, which is going to take some time to develop and generate revenues. That's why people think that this particular company is not going to give that much cash flows in future, so they started selling the shares of this company, because of which the share price of this company is fluctuating. These are all the news related to economy today. Thank you so much.